Alright, today we're doing the aromatic system. It's going to be a bunch of different videos because I'm replacing the whole system, air ride suspension and the pump. So, what you need to do first is take the two orange ones here, the two orange 40 amps, remove them so you don't have no problem with the suspension going up or down. My compressor went bad, so I'm replacing the whole system since I can get the whole system cheaper than I can the air compressor by itself with the lifetime warranty. So we're going to continue and do the, oh yeah, and we're doing tie rods too. Not tie rods, but transaxles. So I'm going to kind of slap that into all-in-one video kind of thing. Alright, doing the passenger side first. Alright, looks like we're doing a shock absorber first. So what you do is you pry this up. It's the armrest. Try not to break it. You can use a screwdriver. Don't rip your leather. If you do, send a video so I can laugh at your ass. Make sure. Twist it sideways a little bit. Jimmy it.
Come back this way and do that next one first.
Yeah.
Hold on. Look around the corner first before you keep pulling and breaking.
So look what I fucking do.
Yeah, like that one you just broke off. Something in that cup holder has to come out the way it looks.
One fucking there. As you do it, you got those clips on the back, so you got to work and twist. Come on.
Got three, it looks like three of them together. Might have to come on this side.
No, there's a spot weld right here. It's fucking spot welded in.
Yeah, but there ain't nothing now to hold it in over there, is there?
What, over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, the clips that I just pulled it out of. That one there, and that one there is what was holding it down. And this, all these spot welds here. Those are spot welds for the damn armrests. You're probably gonna break them. But I don't think it's gonna affect anything. It's there.
Doesn't matter because you broke.
The two nuts are down there for the the fucking shock absorber. One there, and there's one right there. But this is passenger side, so make sure you don't nick all them wires because you're not gonna like it if you nick them. How you have to do it to get to do the back air spring. It's 10 millimeter. Just take your time till you get it. And this light helps, so I'm just letting it run so I can get it off. That's all there is to that. Which is the challenge part of getting out of the hole. Just push it out this way. That's all you gotta do. How it goes. What was it screwed into?
Huh?
This side.
Turn it off.
Just hit stop. That there's 1316. That's the easiest one to get off, so that's the one you take off. I'm assuming I might have to take both them damn things off. I'm hoping not. And I got it jacked up so I can pull that bolt out in order to drop that shock absorber.
Once it goes down to the floor, then I can lean it, pull it down and go this way.
Slide that pry bar in between there.
In here?
No, in between the shock absorber.
Down here?
In between the damn shock absorber. Right there.
Okay.
Lower that down.
Okay.
Can you lower it down more?
What, you talking about push this down?
No, can. Yeah, like that. Move your foot. Let's see how much we got to go. Let's get hold this. Just a little FYI, it does matter. They are directional. You look at that one straight up and down. It's not touching on the bottom. See how that's laying like that? Where the back side is longer than the front side. Kind of look at this, it's got a tilt to it. So be mindful when you pull them off. You got to shine up in there. There's holes up here. You're gonna have to take your finger. I don't know if you can see my damn finger. You gotta take your finger and use it to line the thing up. And by the way, you gotta manhandle that motherfucker unless you wanna take all that shit off. It can be done because I just did it. You just gotta push really hard. Here, get this goddamn thing. This damn thing's in by hand first. Try not to lose a screw. Got that one just barely on there. Shit, I didn't get it. I got it that time. No, shit. Finally, motherfucker. Yeah. And see, you just spin it back on. Ain't much to it. A little side note, I think you gotta take this whole panel off instead of that because popping these off broke these plastic welds. I'm gonna use something to glue it back together, so hopefully I ain't gotta ever do this again. But I think you gotta pull that whole panel off is what Mercedes does. And nobody tells you that, so you can do either one. I'm not. Alright, there's a little flap that goes right there. It screws on and off. You can use a Phillips screwdriver or whatever, that little thing there. It came with my kit. With your kit, it may or may not, so I don't know. But with my setup, it came with everything. Worth it. There's a little plastic piece right there, a little black thing that came off the old one. You're gonna want to put it back on with the new. What happens when you try to do this one-handed? It's that little piece there. That's what it does. It goes like that in it, and this goes on top of it like that. There and there. That's all you do is just screw it back in. Try not to cross thread or you'll be using the old one again. That's what it's supposed to look like when it's done. Now I gotta spin it around there and put the damn line on. It's simple. If you run into the problem where this doesn't want to seat like it's supposed to, just take and jack it up at the ball joint, let it get pressure on. We'll see it goes from there.